Puerto Princesa, Palawan, Philippines. Port of call, Puerto Princesa. Arrival, 7 a.m. Departure, 5 p.m. Itinerary, 7 a.m. arrival and disembarkation. Passengers disembark at Puerto Princesa Port. Transportation options, air-conditioned vans, tricycles, or pre-arranged eco-friendly buses. At 8 a.m., underground river adventure. Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, 3 hours total. Take a scenic drive to Sabang, 1.5 hours, and enjoy a guided paddle boat tour through this UNESCO World Heritage Site. Witness the stunning limestone formations and unique biodiversity. Perfect for families, couples, and adventurers seeking a once-in-a-lifetime experience. At 11:30 to 12:30 p.m., lunch at Kaloy Restaurant. Rizal Avenue, Puerto Princesa City. Menu highlights: fresh seafood, Palawan's specialty lamayo, dried marinated fish, vegetarian-friendly dishes, and tropical fruit desserts. Ambience: traditional Filipino interiors, barefoot dining for a unique cultural touch. At 1 p.m., afternoon cultural and nature tour. Enjoy baked delicacies like hopia and take photos in this garden-themed attraction. Great for families and couples. Palawan Wildlife Rescue and Conservation Center. See crocodiles and other endemic wildlife in a safe, eco-educational environment. At 3 p.m., beach relaxation or optional activities. Honda Bay Island hopping. Explore Starfish Island, Luli Island, or Kauri Island for snorkeling and beach fun. At 4:30 p.m., return to port. Passengers are transported back to Puerto Princesa Port with ample time to reboard the ship.